So good evening students. So in the last video I have discussed some problems based on factorial notations. Okay, so today we shall discuss more number of problems. So that day we have discussed three questions. Okay, so now I am going to discuss some more problems. So let us write the question. So question is find n if n plus 2 factorial is equal to if n plus 2 factorial is equal to if n plus 2 factorial is equal to 2550 is equal to 2550 into n factorial. Okay, so let us write the solution for this. You see, n plus 2 factorial is equal to 2550 into n factorial. Okay, so you see here is n plus 2 factorial, here is n factorial. So which one is the bigger one? This n plus 2 factorial is the bigger one, and which one is smaller one? Smaller one is n factorial. So you keep the smaller one like that, don't change it. Express the bigger one in terms of smaller one. So now this n plus 2 factorial you can write n plus 2 into n plus 1 into n factorial. Okay, is equal to 2550 into n factorial. Are you clear? Because you know n factorial is equal to what? N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. Okay, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. So now on both sides this n factorial get cancelled. So you have n plus 2 into n plus 1 into 2550. You see now this is the product of two factors. First factor is n plus 2. What is the second factor? N plus 1. So that is it is reduced from this by 1. So let us express this 2550 as the product of two factors. So that the second factor will be reduced by the first factor by 1. Okay. So to do that, what you do? How can you know? You factorize this, then you can know. So if you factorize this, so here you have 1275. Okay. Then again if you divide by 2, this becomes 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6. Okay. Now here 2 is not divisible by this, so then you take 3. You see here the sum is what? 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 7 10, 10 plus 5 15. So if the sum is divisible by 15, that number is divisible by 15. So this will be divisible by 3. So then understood, if the sum is divisible by 3, that number is divisible by 3. So here the sum is 15. 1 plus 2 3 plus 7 10 plus 5 15. 15 is divisible by 3. So that's why this is divisible by 3. 3 4 is 12. So 3 2 is 6. Then 3 5 is 15. Okay. Now again the sum is what? 4 plus 2 6 plus 5 11. So 11 is not divisible by 3. So that's why it will not divisible by 3. Since the sum is not divisible by 3, not divisible. So next factor is 5. If the unit place is 5, then that must be divisible by 5. So 5 8 is 40. Then 5 5 is 25. Okay. Again this is divisible by 5. So the remainder is 17. Okay. So now for this we can write 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 3. So this you arrange in such a way so that what will be the first factor? The next factor should be reduced by 1. Okay. So now suppose I will take 2 into 3, 1 is 6. Other one 5 into 5 25. So here it will not get like that. Okay? But if I arrange like this, suppose this 17 into 3, you can say it will 51. Then 2 into 5, 10 into 5, 50. So this you can write 17 into 3. Okay, then you write this 2 into 5 into 5. So this is 51 and this one is 50. So this you can write 51 into 50. Okay. So then after this n plus 2 is equal to 51. Because you see here the first factor n plus 2, the second factor reduced by 1. Here the first factor 51, second factor reduced by 1. Okay. That's why you can say n plus 2 is equal to 51 and n plus 1 is equal to 50. So you can write n plus 2 51. Then from this n is 51 minus 2. So it is 49. And if you write n plus 1 is equal to 50. So that also get the same. this is one method, and here you can also do by another method. You can multiply this, then it will be a quadratic equation. If you multiply this becomes what? Here, see, this one if you multiply it is n square, then plus n plus 2, then 2n plus 2, okay, is equal to 2550. Then after that, this is n square plus 3n plus 2, this one bring to left, this is minus 2550 is equal to 0. Then n square plus 3n, so this minus this is at minus 2548 is equal to 0. So now you can factorize this middle term factorization, but this way it will be time taking, okay? That is addition time taking. So this way it will be easier. So that's why follow this method. So here you can check the answer, you will get something, okay? That n will become as 49. Okay, so this is question number 1. The next to write question number 2. Question number 2 is n plus 1 factorial. Okay, n plus 1 factorial is equal to 12 into n minus 1 factorial. 12 into n minus 1 factorial. Okay, that means if this is equal to this, then find n. Okay, find n. So now I am reviewing this question 1. Okay, so let us discuss this one. So n plus 1 factorial is equal to 12 into n minus 1 factorial. Okay, 12 into n minus 1 factorial. Then after this is here is n plus 1 factorial, here is n minus 1 factorial. So which one is the least one? So this one is the least one. So this one is the biggest one. Okay, so explain the biggest one in terms of least one. Okay, so here you see this is bigger one, this is smaller one, because there two things are there. Okay, so now this n plus 1 factorial is expressed in terms of n minus 1 factorial. So this you can write n plus 1, then reduce by 1, it will be n plus 1 into n, again reduce by 1, so it will be n minus 1. This factorial is equal to right hand side is what? 12 into n minus 1 factorial. Okay, so now this n minus factorial will get cancelled. So now this becomes n into n is n square plus n is equal to 12. Okay, then bring it to the left. It will bring it to the left. This is n square plus n. Okay, or here you can do directly also. No need to factorize by middle term factorization, because here you see the first factor is n plus 1, second factor reduced by 1, so the right hand side will express like that. So 12 you can write 4 into 3, so first factor 4, second factor reduced by 1. Okay, so it is of this form. So then here first factor n plus 1 means n plus 1 4, second factor is equal to 3. Okay, so you could write n plus 1 is 4. So from this n is equal to 4 minus 1, that is 3, or directly you can say n is equal to 3, second factor n, second factor 3. Okay, you can multiply this. So n square plus n is equal to 12, then n square plus n minus 12 0. You can factorize that also. That also you will get something. Okay, but this way it is very comfortable. So I am time saving. So you solve like this question. Okay, this was solution for your question number 2. Everybody clear? So now we shall discuss the next question. So next question you write. So let us discuss the next question. That question number 3 you write. Yeah? So question number 3 is, okay, that is if n factorial divided by n divided by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial. Okay, n factorial divided by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial, and n factorial divided by n factorial divided by 4 factorial into n minus 4 factorial, okay, are in the ratio 2 is to 1, are in the ratio 2 is to 1. Find n, find the value of n, find the value of n. Okay, so let us discuss about this. Have you written, everyone? So let us write the solution for this. So this and this are in the ratio of this. That means n factorial divided by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial. Okay, divided by n factorial by 4 factorial into n minus 4 factorial is equal to 2 by 1. 2 is equal to 1 means it is 2 by 1. And the below is asking find the value of n. Okay, so this we can write n factorial divided by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial. Okay, so by this means it will be into what? 4 factorial into n minus 4 factorial divided by n factorial. Okay, so is equal to 2 by 1 means it is 2. So then you see here is n factorial, here is n factorial, that get cancelled. So now this 4 factorial we can write 4 into 3 into 2 factorial. Okay, and here is n minus 4 factorial, here is n minus 2 factorial. So which one is bigger one, n minus 4 or n minus 2? So here n minus 2 is greater than n minus 4. Okay, so this n minus 4 factor is the smaller one. I have already told you in the numerator and denominator factorial notations are there. Then what will do? So you keep the smaller one like that, don't change it. Express the bigger one in terms of smaller one. So here n minus 4 factor is smaller one, but this one is bigger one. So express this one in terms of n minus 4 factor. This one means n minus 2 factor. Okay, so now I can write, so the numerator is what? Here is 4 factorial. So that you can write 4 into 3 2 factorial. Why? Because here is 2 factorial. Okay, 2 factorial is smaller than this one. So this 2 factorial keep it like this on the denominator. But this 4 factorial write in terms of 2 factorial. Okay, then it's n minus 4 factorial. So it is like this. So by, so this 2 factorial write 2 factorial, n minus 2 factorial expression of n minus 4 factorial. So this you can write n minus 2. You see, we know n factorial is equal to what? N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. Similarly, this will be what? N minus 2 into minus 1 means n minus 3. Again minus 1 means n minus 4 factorial. Okay, n factorial is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. This is the formula we discussed. Okay, so like that, this n minus 2 factorial you can write n minus 2, then you reduce by 1, n minus 3, again reduce by 1, that will last only factor notation. Okay, using this formula. Okay, if you are confusing sidewise you can write this. So is equal to 2. So now you see this n minus 4 factorial, this n minus 2 get cancelled, this 2 factorial get cancelled. Okay, so now you cross multiply this, then from this you can get your n. Okay, so now after this let us simplify this. So you go to here, so this you can write 4 into 3, let us cross multiply this. Okay, this n minus 2 into n minus 3 into 2, here denominator nothing means it is 1. Okay, so 2 into this is equal to 1 into this, that is you can write it 2 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 is equal to 1 into this means it is 4 into 3. Okay, so then this becomes n minus 2 into n minus 3. This becomes 2 is 4, so it is 4 into 3 by 2. Okay, so it is n minus 2 into n minus 3. So this will be 3 into 2 that to 4, 3 into 2. Okay. So from these n minus 2 is equal to 3. You see, this is the product of two vectors. First vector is what? N minus 2, and second factor n minus 1 is reduced by 1. Similarly, here it is the product of two vectors. First factor 3, second factor reduced by 1, that is 2. Clear? This I bring to right one, 2 0 to 4. Okay. So 2 into 3 or I wrote 3 into 2. So from this, what is your n? So n is 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. So n is equal to 5. Okay. And here if you multiply, then it will be n square, something n, some so constant. So it will take the form of a quadratic expression. Okay. And quadratic equation it will do. Okay. That you can solve. That also you can do either median factorization or you may use quadratic formula. But this side is time saving. That's why you follow this method. Okay. This type of questions. For this type of questions, you follow this method. Okay. So then you write the next question. That is prove that when factorial by n factorial. Okay. Next question. I think it was question number 3. This was question number 1. Question number 1, 2, 3 over. Yes, number 4 is to discuss now. Question number 4. So let us take question 4. So question 4 you write, prove that, okay, prove that, you write the question, prove that 2n factorial divided by, okay, 2n factorial divided by n factorial is equal to 1 into 3 into 5 dot up to 2n minus 1. 1 into 3 into 5 up to 2n minus 1. Okay. So whole into 2 to the power n. Prove that 2n factorial by n factorial is equal to 135 up to 2n minus 1 and 2 to the power n. Okay. So let us write the proof for this. So you take the LHS. So here LHS is equal to 2n factorial divided by n factorial. Okay. So this 2n factorial you can write 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Okay. Into dot and this you can write 4 into 5 into 6 into dot. So this is what up to 2n minus 1. Okay. Sorry, here is 2n, so last one is 2n. But before that, you will write 2n minus 1 and before that 2n minus 2. Okay. So you will get like this. Because you know n factorial means it is the product of first n natural numbers 1, 2, 3 up to n. So it will come back before that what n minus 1 n minus 2 up to 1. Similarly here it is up to 2n. So before that 2n minus 1 then 2n minus 2. So it will be like this. Okay. So by this n factorial. Okay. But we are interested to prove this one. Okay. So here 1, 3, 5 these are odd factors. So here you separate this. Which one is odd? 1, 3, 5. Okay. This 2n minus 1 is odd. Okay. 2n is even. 2 into any natural number is even. Okay. 2 into 5 is 10. But trouble this is 10. This is 10 minus 1 is 9. So it will be odd. So let us separate these odd ones. There is 1 into 3 into 5 into dot up to 2n minus 1. Okay. Then after that you write the even ones. What are the even factors? 2 into 4 into 6 into dot into 2n minus 2 into 2n. Okay. Everybody clear? Then divided by n factorial. Okay. So now you see this is 1, 3, 5 dot up to 2n minus 1. Okay. And this 2 you can write 2 into 1. And this 4 you can write it 2 into 2. And 6 you can write it 2 into 3. Okay. This 6 you can write it 2 into 3. Okay. Dot this you can write it 2 into n minus 1. And this is 2n. Clear? Then whole divided by now this becomes 1 into 3 into 5 up to how much? Up to 12 minus 1. Okay, up to 12 minus 1. After that, you see here we analyze the first factor 2. Here the first factor 2. Here the first factor 2. Here the first factor 2. It like this. So up to this 2 multiply 3 times by 2 per 3. Okay. Similarly, up to this 2 multiplied n times. So it will be 2 to the power n. 2 multiplied n times. Okay. 2 into 2. So it is multiplied n times. Okay. Very clear? Then next what is left? Second factors 1, 2, 3 up to n. So next what is left? 1, 2, 3 up to n. Up to n. Very clear? So up to n. Then divided by whole divided by this is n factor. Okay. So now you see 1, 3 up to 12 minus 1. You write 1, 3, 5 up to 12 minus 1. Okay. Then this 2 multiplied n times. 2 multiplied 2 times is 2 square. 2 multiplied 3 times is what? 2 power 3. So 2 multiplied n times it will be 2 to the power n. Okay. And here is 1, 2, 3 up to n. So that you can write n factorial. Okay. Divided by n factorial. So this n factorial get cancelled. Okay. So now this becomes, that is 1, 3, 5 over n minus 1 whole into 2 to the power n. Okay. So this is equal to 1 into 3 into 5. Okay. Up to 12 minus 1 whole into 2 to the power n. Clear? So this is proved. Okay. So let me stop here. In the next class we shall discuss the definition of permutation and some theorems are based on permutation, so that we shall discuss. Okay. So let me stop here. Thank you all.